Okay, so now we're going to discuss how to get Wendy on your website. So go to Wendy settings, and you will see a little piece of code. This is computer code. So you can plug this in to your existing website in the header generally, or the footer, and the widget will just start popping up. And anybody Wendy interacts with will flow into this account, your Wendy account. So it's really that simple. If you have WordPress, your site is built on WordPress, you can download our WordPress plugin and install it. If not, then you can just use this piece of code. The instructions are slightly different depending on whether you use WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, maybe just GoDaddy. They all have slightly different ways of doing this, but it's all possible. So as part of this video that we're sending you, we will include a little instruction book on how to install the Wendy widget on your particular website based on the information that you've given us. But it should be pretty easy. If you run into any challenges at all, just reach out. We are here for you. But there are, I'd say out of 150 Wendy customers, maybe 3 couldn't figure out how to do this. And those 3 were not in communication with us. So if you bring us in the fold, we'll help you, we'll troubleshoot, we'll call whoever your support team is at your web provider, and we will figure out how to do this easily. So no worries. So that's really how you install the Wendy widget. Take a look at the pamphlet we're going to include in this email, and that should be all you need to know.